It's not every day you get to ride the steepest roller coaster in the world.
This is my face right now.
Look at it. Look at it.
It bends and goes underneath.
That was insane. Ready to see something you've never seen before? We're breaking new ground here. It's a vlog where I'm going to a park in New Jersey, and the first shot of the vlog is the Delaware Memorial Bridge. Wow. Here he comes. He's coming. It's Manhattan. Just kidding, Manhattan is that way. Oh, we're at American Dream today. So reportedly, for the first time in 2 years, all 5 roller coasters at Nickelodeon Universe are operating. So we are, for the first time, we're gonna see what this is all about. We're thinking of going shopping first. You know, I think it's within our price range.
Discount Central, come on.
Yeah, look, $50 to $700. Yo, this is the second vlog to feature El Toro Ryan. Let's go. Look at, they got golden statues. We're so out of place. Yo. Wait, I totally cropped the shot wrong. Yo. Oh. Escalator. It's a whole amusement park.
My childhood awaits.
Dude, let's go. Whoa.
This is my face right now.
It's not every day you get to ride the steepest roller coaster in the world. I'm unwell. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, look at that. There's more.
It bends and goes underneath. Go down, straight down, and curve underneath.
They hold you at the top of the drop for like a good 20 seconds. Whole thing, just shaking back and forth.
Oh my God, that's the worst part.
Shaking back and forth. Like, that was insane. Oh my God.
That rattled my brain. Everything, because you don't know where you're going. You're like, oh, there's another loop now.
It's so good.
Another one coming.
The Reptar carousel goes crazy. Yep. Instantly very apparent why it's not the steepest roller coaster in the world, but it's Sandy's that the roller coaster community just loves very dearly, because that was a 30-second long punch in the face. That was awesome.
Forwards is really nice because it's just roll after roll. And then of course they spin you around. That's when it gets crazy because you're out of your seat half the time.
That backwards launch was nuts, dude. Oh my God.
I've been duped for the last time.
We were under the impression that Wanda doesn't spin and Cosmo does. So Chris got on Wanda, and guess who spins?
Hopefully no.
It spins. It certainly spins. It's a very unique experience, yeah. But my God, my head, my stomach. Wanda's not spinning anymore.
I've been lied to.
Slime time. Just imagine waiting in all of this to ride the booger monorail. I wonder if this is ever filled up. This is crazy.
Those brakes.
You hear those brakes?
Look at
him go! They got a whole concert vent. What is this place? The sightline reveal for this park is low-key crazy because you just walk up and you're like, is that 5 roller coasters in one shot? This is the only one we haven't done yet today. Wow, oh, a line. A line! We haven't seen one of these yet today. Truly one of the roller coasters of all time.
Nice.
It was quite gentle. I think we got a little more punch on the booger. The booger one.
It's essentially a wild mouse. Looks worse than it is, and it's because of all the mangled track that's around it.
We forgot something. We forgot to go on the London Eye. All right, so we're gonna speed run our review. It is incredible. It's small, they fit everything in it. They've got a good variety in their lineup. The rides were being run well. Like I thought good operations. It's a little overstimulating noise-wise, just a little.
I went in going with medium expectations because I didn't want to set them too high, and they were exceeded.
If all the coasters are running, you should come check it out. That's my final.
Oh no, it was a good day.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool. We got a new amusement park in Jersey.
Yep.
It's been open for 6 years.
Yeah.